Or welcome to ProServe 2012 training videos. What I'm going to cover in this video is posting payments. But before we do that, I want to take a look at something and show you a setup, an option that's in your defaults, and it's right here. It's called Verify Post Dates right here. This actually, if you turn this off, basically the program is not going to verify any post dates during posting of work orders or posting payments. It's just going to allow any date. So it's not going to verify it at all. Now I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to leave it on. So I'm just going to exit out. I wanted to show you that before we posted the payment so that you can see what happens. So I'm going to go in and post a single payment. I've got a customer in mind that I'm going to post. I got mail come in today, so I'm posting payments. All right. Notice the open invoices here, open credit or the open balance. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter key because my cursor is already on the post. See? Now it went straight to the date. It defaulted to today's date. Now, what I just showed you, let me show you what would happen if I tried to post this into a different period. You cannot post payments into next period. Okay? That's what it does. So I'm going to go back to the 26th, which is where I was posting it, which is today's date. And then I can enter through that, and it's a good date. All right, he paid me with a check, so I'm entering the check number. I'm pressing the tab key. He sent me a check for the entire amount, $418.44. So I leave that as is. It defaulted because that's what his balance is. Okay. Now it wasn't a cash, and I actually clicked that to show you that, and it entered through and accepted my cash, which is wrong. So I'm just going to simply cancel this. I'm going to completely refresh, start over again, post, enter, CK, enter. I'm going to drop down the check, enter. I don't need a note. And then done. Now, I'm going to stop right here because this is where a lot of people get in trouble because they don't quite catch this in the correct way. Most people at this point will drop down and click the apply button at this point. And what that means is, it means that it's giving the customer a credit. He still has $1,418.44 worth of invoices are still open because you didn't apply that payment to those invoices. And so they'll save all, and then boom, we'll end up with a customer that really has got open invoices with an open credit. And then later on, they'll come back and say, well, I don't understand. Why is it doing that? Well, that's why right there. I'm going to start over. I'm refreshing. I'm going to post, date, the check number, and I'm probably not entering the right check number, but I'm making it up as I go. It's check. I click done. What I want to do is finish the application of these invoices. See, I can do that by double clicking that block, or I can press the C key on my keyboard, which will accept that, and it drops down, enter key, enter key, enter key, enter again, and it dropped down to the next invoice. Press the S key on my keyboard, and I'm applying that payment. Enter, S key, enter, enter, enter. Now, I've applied that payment to all of these invoices with zeroed them out. Now I can apply. Now the customer's account has balanced out to zero. And that's how you post a payment. save all, and I'm done. Now, I'm going to post another payment as an example to show you something. The customer is Mike O-Rings. Okay. Now, he does have an open balance. Well, that's not the one I wanted to do. Let me try another one. That's not it. Let me try another one here. Hold on. I'm just going to quit, come back. Oh, here it is. It was a customer called James Allen. Now, he doesn't have an open balance, but I received a check today in the mail from him. I know that it's for his pest control service, but, you know, so I'm going to post it. Okay? I need to press the tab key there. That's why it beeped at me. Tab. The check was in the amount of $38. Okay? Now, there is no invoices to apply it to, so I don't have the only choice I have is to go ahead and apply it, which will give this customer an open credit. So then I'll save all. Okay? Now, if I go to customer file maintenance now and pull that customer up, you'll see that he has in aging, he has a $38 open credit, no invoices. Well, what's the deal? What's going on? Well, it's because I've got some open work orders that I haven't worked yet, and the customer has simply sent me a check in advance. Okay? Now, let's go through and post one of these orders, and let me show you what happens when I go through the post process for that customer. I've actually got the work order number here that I want to post to. So here it comes. So we're gonna post it today. We'll just leave that as is. Okay. We go through our regular posting process, and we post what we did on the job. It was basically a general pest control for $38, and I could enter my supplies if I wanted to. Well, I'm not going to post a payment because I don't have a payment. So I'm just going to turn that off. But watch what happens here. It's telling me this account has open credits of $38. Do you want to apply open credits? Well, I say, yeah. So then I go ahead and save all. And now the program is going to take me to the open credits program so that I can apply this open credit to this invoice. Well, actually, that's a different invoice. Okay, I just messed up on my dollar. I didn't see the tax. I didn't see the taxes on the ticket that I posted. And I entered the payment for $38. I should have entered the payment for $41.42. But either way, you see how you can actually apply open credits from. And what I'm going to do is go ahead, I'm just going to discount that out to make this right. And so now I can zero out this customer's account. Well, I can't. Yeah, I can. Open credits. Let's see. Let's see how that's going to work. Let me go pick that guy up and let's just take a look at him. Okay, it's zeroed out, which is what I thought it would do. So his balance now is zeroed out, and I ended up giving him a credit on that particular ticket. Okay, the payment was $38, but the invoice was for $41.42, but I ended up giving him a $3.42 discount. Let's see. Yeah, see, here's the payment, $38, and then I gave them $3.42 discount. Okay, so that kind of showed you a little bit, in me trying to show you how that can happen. That kind of shows you how you can discount things out and kind of make sure that you balance things out correctly. Okay, let me do, did I finish the rolling hills? I think I did. Let's pull him up so we can see what happened to his account from that payment. Oh, that's wrong. So now his balance is 0. His AR shows this. We had all these tickets that were posted, and then I posted a payment. And if I double click that reference, it shows me the application of that payment. So again, I'm going to go back and do it one more time because this is extremely important. When I'm posting payments, and I'm going to post to Mike O-Rings because I know he owes me money. So he owes me money. I'm going to post it. Today's date. I'm coming through. Let's just say it was a check. Okay. $39. Check. Done. It's very, very important. The tendency is that you think you're done, so you click apply, but you're not done. We don't want to give the customer a $39.06 credit. We want to apply the payment to an open invoice. So we have to complete this by applying that payment to the open invoices. Then I'll apply, then I save all, and now this account, if I go pick him back up, as you can see, his balance now is 0. His AR history, we posted a work there. I could double click that to reprint the invoice if I needed to. I could double click that to see how the payment was applied. Okay. Now, that concludes this video on posting payments for now. There'll probably be another posting payment video. So thanks for watching.